Here I am, Isle of Wight, Ventnor, right up the hill at the very top of Ventnor where the NATS aerial tower is. That is the repeater aerial, GB3IW. Look at that, receiving aerial on the top, then the 4-bay dipole there for the transmitting side of things. So that's GB3IW, Isle of Wight. There's me in my white jacket, trying to pretend it's summer when it's very overcast. Yeah, second trip up there. They put a new gate there. Look, that's obviously to keep me out. They heard G4 and SJ's on the way. Lock him out. Look at the view. There's cows everywhere. They were on the road when I was driving up the hill. I had to stop and wait for them to move. There's the gate to lock me out. Look. So that's the Isle of Wight aerial, really high up. Nearly, what is it? I'm getting on for 800 or 900 feet above sea level, I believe. So that's it. That's that part of it. Now, I actually contacted Leon, mate of mine, through GB3IW. There I am in the car, chatting to Leon through the Worthing repeater. Actually made the trip from that great height. You just see the aerial on the car, 270 SEMS aerial. Now this is what Leon wants to see. This is the NATS tower, National Air Traffic Services. Fantastic. I'd love to look inside that building. Look at all those dipoles. Loads of dipoles, all for 130 something megs. That Leon did tell me the frequency, but I forget. Look at those dipoles. I wouldn't go up there, I don't like heights, but I would love to see inside that building. I really would. I'd like to have a play around with the gear that's in there. AM, of course, all air stuff is AM. So there we are, there's me again. Hope you enjoyed the video.